Meanwhile, Yaser Nasser Alulait says cryptocurrency exchanges are limited to digital currencies, although you can own the currency outright and usually buy multiple currencies, not just Bitcoin or Bitcoin futures like a normal broker. Many exchanges that support Bitcoin also support other cryptocurrencies. These exchanges allow you to use your debit card to buy currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. With the most popular currencies, including Bitcoin, you can buy a portion of the coin so you don't have to invest thousands of dollars to get into the game. As we'll discuss below, the cost of buying and selling Bitcoin can vary from one cryptocurrency exchange to another. Here's what you should know if you are interested in buying Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to Dogecoin and Tether, there are thousands of different cryptocurrencies that can feel overwhelming when you first enter the world of cryptocurrencies. To help you understand, here are the top 10 cryptocurrencies based on their market cap or the total value of all coins currently in circulation. The first cryptocurrency was Bitcoin, created in 2009 by an unknown person named Satoshi Nakamoto. Yaser Nasser Alulait says cryptocurrencies are digital assets that people use as investments and for online purchases. Exchange real currency, such as dollars, for the purchase of coins or tokens of a certain cryptocurrency. Typically, you create an account on an exchange and then you can transfer real money to buy cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Coinbase is a popular cryptocurrency exchange where you can create a wallet and buy and sell Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Coinbase is a dedicated cryptocurrency-focused platform that allows you to directly trade digital currencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. In total, more than 3 dozen cryptocurrencies will be available to you. In addition to Robinhood and various cryptocurrency exchanges, you can also buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly from individuals who hold them. Yaser Nasser Alulait says there are also some funds and investment funds that have access to cryptocurrencies, which is a less risky way to invest than buying the currencies themselves. The advantage of traditional brokers is that they offer a wide range of stocks to invest in, although it is generally not possible to directly trade Bitcoin, only futures. There is an exception among investment brokers that make cryptocurrencies available, and this. However, there are some speculators who try to buy low and sell high more obscure cryptocurrencies. And if Bitcoin as the basis of a cryptocurrency is speculative, then any other cryptocurrency that you own should be considered even more speculative. Cryptocurrencies can rise in value, but many investors consider them just speculation and not real investments. In fact, it might even be wrong to call it investing in buying Bitcoins. While you can use cryptocurrency to make purchases, most people consider it a long-term investment. If you tend to take less risk in your investments and have been aiming to accumulate wealth for decades, cryptocurrencies are probably not for you. Yaser Nasser Alulait says no one can accurately predict what will happen to the cryptocurrency market. For those considering cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin as the currency of the future, it should be noted that currencies need stability so that merchants and consumers can determine what a fair price for goods is. The value of Bitcoin or specific cryptocurrencies remains highly uncertain. The prices of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin are highly volatile due to high levels of uncertainty. In addition, cryptocurrencies are not ordinary shares of companies and are not traded on the stock exchange. As NerdWallet authors point out, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin may not be as safe, and some prominent members of the investment community are advising novice investors to avoid them. Cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin, has proven to be a popular medium of trade, although legendary investors like Warren Buffett think it's as good as it is worthless. Bitcoin is a good indicator of the cryptocurrency market as a whole because it is the largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization and the rest of the market tends to follow its trends. The price of Bitcoin has risen steadily since September 2020, fueled by investor demand, as well as news that PayPal will allow US customers to buy and sell cryptocurrency on its app next year, and Tesla intends to start accepting it as payment for your cars. Bitcoin continues to lead among cryptocurrencies in terms of market capitalization, user base, and popularity. Digital platforms like Coinbase and Robinhood make it easier for people to invest in popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Many companies already accept Bitcoin as a payment method, making this cryptocurrency a wise investment. It can also be sold or exchanged for other forms of cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum or Bitcoin. Even though it appeared a few years after several other cryptocurrencies, it has far surpassed its place in the market due to its unique technology. It's easy to see why this is the leader, with a much higher price, market cap, and volume than any other investment option. Even with thousands of other cryptocurrencies on the market, Bitcoin still accounts for 40% of the market capitalization of cryptocurrencies. Some major retailers such as Whole Foods and Nordstrom are experimenting with accepting Bitcoin as a viable payment source. But for the most part, cryptocurrencies are still on the sidelines. If you are wondering if digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are a smart group of assets to invest your money in, this article will come in handy. Yaser Nasser Alulait says Bitcoin is probably the most well-known cryptocurrency. In 2009 it had been running for 13 years. We can speculate on the value that cryptocurrencies may hold for investors in the months and years to come, many will, but the reality is that it is still a new speculative investment without much history to predict the basics. There simply isn't enough data or enough trust to create a cryptocurrency-based long-term investment plan. Investing in cryptocurrencies can be an intriguing prospect for part of your portfolio, but you need to make sure you diversify your investments with other assets. Donation tips: agree to any amount of cryptocurrency investment without knowing the market. Instead of learning how to use a cryptocurrency exchange to trade your digital assets, you can add cryptocurrencies to your wallet directly from the same broker that you already have a retirement account or another traditional investment account. However, investing in a crypto ETF still carries the same risks as any crypto investment. It's a portfolio of assets, but it's only diversified by different cryptocurrencies, all of which are speculative and volatile. Investing in anything always comes with risk, which means you will always lose money, but the biggest downside of cryptocurrencies is their extreme volatility. How to invest in Bitcoin? Investing in Bitcoin is similar to investing in stocks, only it is much more volatile due to the daily fluctuations in the price of Bitcoin.